In the southern region of Punjab, Pakistan, the historic city of Bahawalpur, a city famous for its royal palaces, rich culture, magnificent architecture, and the vast Cholistan Desert. Once an independent princely state, Bahawalpur was ruled by the Abbasi Nawabs, who built beautiful palaces, mosques, gardens, and played a significant role in preserving the region's rich heritage. About 100 kilometers south of the city, deep within the endless sands of the Cholistan Desert. Stretching as far as the eye can see, the Cholistan Desert is a land of golden dunes, scorching summer heat, and breathtaking sunsets. During the day, the desert blazes under the intense sun, while at night it transforms into a peaceful landscape beneath a sky filled with countless stars. Hidden deep within the vast sands of Pakistan's Cholistan Desert stands a fortress that has challenged time for more than 1,000 years. This is Derawar Fort, one of the largest and most magnificent forts in South Asia. This is Derawar Fort, one of Pakistan's most iconic historical landmarks. Standing proudly in the heart of the Cholistan Desert, it has witnessed the rise and fall of powerful kingdoms, the passage of ancient trade caravans, and the echoes of countless battles. For centuries, its towering walls have symbolized strength, resilience, and the rich heritage of this remarkable region. According to historians and archaeologists, the Hakra River once flowed through this region. Settlements flourished along its banks, where people farmed the land, raised livestock, and welcomed traders traveling from distant regions. As time passed, the Hakra River gradually dried up, and the fertile land slowly transformed into a vast desert. Yet despite these dramatic changes, the historical significance of this region has never faded. Who built the magnificent Derawar Fort, and who first imagined this architectural masterpiece? According to historians, the foundation of Derawar Fort was laid in the 9th century by Rai Jajabati, a powerful Rajput ruler. At that time, the fortress was known as Derawar Fort and was built to protect the region and control important trade routes crossing the desert. Centuries later, in 1733, Nawab Sadiq Muhammad Khan I, the founder of the state of Bahawalpur, captured the fort and ordered its complete reconstruction. Under his leadership, the massive walls and towering bastions were rebuilt, giving Derawar Fort the magnificent appearance we admire today. Standing proudly in the heart of the Cholistan Desert, Derawar Fort became more than just a military stronghold. It served as a symbol of power, safeguarded trade caravans, protected the kingdom's borders, and remains one of Pakistan's greatest historical landmarks. For centuries, Derawar Fort has witnessed the rise of mighty kings and the fall of powerful kingdoms. Its towering walls have watched victorious armies march through its gates, fierce battles unfold across the desert, and rulers come and go. Though empires vanished with time, this magnificent fortress still stands as a silent guardian of history, preserving the legacy of those who once ruled these lands. As the centuries passed, Derawar Fort transformed from a powerful military stronghold into one of Pakistan's most treasured historical landmarks. Today, thousands of visitors travel from across Pakistan and around the world to witness this magnificent fortress rising from the heart of the Cholistan Desert. For many, visiting Derawar Fort is more than a sightseeing trip. It is a journey back through over 1,000 years of history. Many local families earn their living by raising camels, goats, and sheep. Others create beautiful handmade embroidery, traditional textiles, camel decorations, pottery, and handicrafts that reflect the rich culture of Cholistan. These crafts are often sold to tourists, providing an important source of income for local communities. The vast Cholistan Desert is not only famous for its rich history, but also for the thrilling Cholistan Jeep Rally, held every year across its golden sand dunes. Skilled drivers from all over Pakistan gather here to test their speed, endurance, and driving skills, transforming the silent desert into a stage of excitement and adventure. Alongside the rally, the Cholistan Cultural Festival brings the true spirit of the region to life. Traditional folk music, colorful dances, handcrafted artworks, beautifully decorated camels, authentic local cuisine, and vibrant cultural performances showcase the unique heritage of Cholistan. More than just a celebration, the festival promotes tourism, supports local artisans, and preserves the traditions that have been passed down through generations. As the sun slowly sets over the golden dunes of the Cholistan Desert, the towering walls of Derawar Fort continue to stand. Today, it is no longer a battlefield. It is a symbol of Pakistan's rich history, remarkable architecture, and enduring cultural heritage. Every brick tells a story. Every wall echoes the footsteps of the past. And every visitor who stands before this majestic fortress becomes a part of its timeless legacy. History is not only found in books. Sometimes it stands silently in the middle of a desert waiting for someone to listen. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible history of Derawar Fort.